Oh, I'm starting. Okay, hold on. Ready?
Ready.
Welcome to Highway 30. I'm Sarah.
And I'm Amy, and we're here to help you get creative. Today, we are going to do a little upgrade to one of those 10 signs that you can find like in Hobby Lobby.
Yeah, don't ever skip over the clearance aisle at Hobby Lobby.
No.
You absolutely never know what you might find. Something super cute that you can either use or do something with.
This 10 sign that I found was on that clearance aisle. It was great. We have a canoe and we love going out on the river, and I saw this little sign and I thought, I have to have it. It was only $1.50, so it wasn't a hard decision. I've had it for a little while, didn't know what to do with it, but I thought if we could upgrade this.
Yes, so we did another video. We made a sign as a wedding gift out of pallet wood. We had some extra pallet wood that was left over sitting around. So, and we will actually put a link to that video below so you can catch that one. It's a really good video.
So let's get started.
Yep, let's go.
To start, I always spend a few minutes working with the boards to see how they will fit together best. You know, the pallet wood isn't perfect, which is where a lot of the charm comes from, but by taking that step, it can look a lot more finished. And here I'm just sanding away the roughest edges, and I'll do more sanding after it's all glued together. Since we already had these boards cut from the wedding gift sign, I decided to get creative with this one. Usually I would make sure that all the boards are the exact same length, and in my mind they should always be situated with the boards on a horizontal line, but I was forcing myself to step away from these parameters, and I was able to put this together without any extra steps, and I really do like how it turned out. Right now you'll see that I like filling in some of the biggest cracks with wood glue before I clamp the pieces together completely. I'm still not trying to make the wood look perfect, but this will make it look a little bit more finished. Now it's time to prep the wood with wood conditioner. I made the mistake of not doing this once or twice, and it really does make a difference with making the stain come out even. Here I'm getting the stain on the boards just with a foam brush. After I coat the whole side, I will just wipe off the excess with a shop towel. And I promise, one of these days, I will change up the stain combination for you. I just can't help it. I like this special walnut with the weathered oak look, and it seemed to just match the sign perfectly. Usually when I add the gray stain over the brown, I don't let it dry in between coats. Because this is an oil-based stain and I use a water-based poly, I do let it dry at least 2 days before adding the poly. Don't tell anyone, but I think this piece actually got about 2 months to dry before I got to this step. Here we go. Do you know those videos where they show you about 500 tips to save you time? There's so many good ideas, but I never actually remember or get around to doing them. However, this time I finally remembered the toothpaste trick for hanging pictures, and it worked beautifully. I already had a hanger on the wall, so instead of getting out the measuring tape, I got out the toothpaste.
Yay!
Just a little dab on the hanger and it transferred to the spot I needed on the sign. It smelled good too. Toothpaste. And there you have it, an easy upgrade that made a big difference. We hope you enjoyed this video. Don't forget to subscribe if you haven't already and leave us a comment. We'd love to hear from you. See you next time.